Alright, stop. Good job. Okay, come on. Let's get the sticks out. We're going to put them right here. Look, we're going to put them right here. Okay? Yeah. He's just throwing them. Oh, wow. Look. See, we got to put them right here, buddy. Look. Right there. You got to throw them. There you go. Good job. There you go, got a little bit more.
Come pull it up there, Dane. Pull it up there.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. All right, all gone. Go find some more. Let's go find some more. Let's go up here. There's good. That's good. All right, get off now. See, I've got all kinds of sticks, huh? Go find some sticks, buddy. Look, there's one right there. There you go. It's not stuck. You just gotta pull it hard. Oh, look at all the weeds. Yeah. Whoa. There you go. Good job, John. Stop them down.